So before this video starts, I just want to let y'all know this video is going to be super short because on my way to the dealership, my GoPros didn't have any video room left. My memory card was full. I didn't know it was full. I needed it for the next couple videos, so I ended up not doing all the talking and driving I wanted to on the way to the dealership because I didn't know that my memory cards were full. So sorry about the video being short, but the next couple videos I'll make sure I make them long enough, or at least 11 minutes or more, because I know some people like the videos longer. Me personally, it doesn't bother me either if the videos are short or long, but I know the viewers, I know my supporters like watching longer videos. So I'll make sure that I get enough footage for the next couple videos for sure. Sorry about that, but I couldn't delete what was on my GoPros because I needed it for other videos. So I'm gonna let y'all watch this video now.
Stop it, Simba. Stop it, Simba.
Good morning, everybody. So sorry for my voice, it's pretty early. I just woke up like 40 minutes ago. I'm about to head to work. So today is the day we get an oil change. I'm pretty sure we're at our break-in point. So it's still unclear to a lot of owners right now, because from what I've always seen is the break-in period's 500 miles. I'm well over 500, but some people say 500, some people say 1,200, some people say 1,500. So right now, kick off my feet. Right now, I'm almost pretty much at 1,200. I'm at 1,168. So I think for me, it's a pretty good time to change the oil. And then, because I do a lot of highway miles anyway, so I don't know, maybe I don't need it, but I'm going to just get it done for now, and then we'll see what happens. Or I'll go to the dealer and ask them. Well, usually they don't know either, but so I'm going to throw on my POV for my GoPro, and then y'all take a ride with me to the dealership. I'm going to see you in a minute. Actually, you know what? Let's get a cold start. Oh, it's not that loud today, which is weird. It's usually super loud. Man, I love the way that thing warms up. Yeah, so let me put on my POV real quick, and then y'all take a ride with me to work today. We made it to the dealership. So my bad on the POV. I guess my memory card was full, so I didn't even pay attention to how much space I had left. So we made it to the dealer. Now I'm about to throw this bad boy in valet mode because I don't want them trying to go crazy in my car. So let's go to auto, actually custom, SRT modes, valet mode. Yes. Done. Activation on. Exit it. Boom. So I'm gonna go drop off the keys, let them know I'm here, and then they should be able to do oil change. So again, I'm at literally 1,200 on my way from home to here. We at 1199, so that should be good. We'll get the oil change, and then we'll see what happens. Everything should be good and ready to go by the time I get off later, around like 4-ish, or hopefully I get out early today. So let's go ahead and these guys the keys, and then I will see y'all later. All right, I just got just picked the car back up. So for my first oil change, right? So this is one of the maintenance costs obviously you guys will have to go through if you get one of these cars. For me, not too bad, honestly. So let's go over the numbers really quick. So it looks like labor was $13.95. The parts were $56 and sales tax was $5.25. So a total of $75.20 for oil change. That's not bad. I was paying like, I think $60 for my Crutcher 200 when I didn't go to my dealership because my dealership came with free oil changes. But sometimes they were so booked up I couldn't make it, so I had to go somewhere else, and it was like $60. The full synthetic on this one, $75. This is rounded $76 after the change. That's not too bad for the oil change in the Cat. So, of course, it's gonna be different based on where you guys live at. I get a crazy deal because of FedEx. We get like a discount for some reason. I went to 3 other dealers. One charged me $110, another one said $90, and another one was like $80 and change. So they were the cheapest. He told me $60, and then like labor and tax and stuff. So that's not bad. $75. So remember, when you get one of these, you gotta factor in that maintenance cost too. So, or a lot of people just do the oil changes themselves. I probably would do it myself too if I had the time. But all I did was literally drop the car off, and I went to work. They took care of it. I came back. Car was done waiting for me. Yada, yada. Paid, and I'm out. So, fairly easy. Fairly, very easy. And a very fair price, too. So, $60. I'm sorry, $75 for your time. Pretty much. Let's say you're paying $75 to have to somebody else do it so you can have your own time. But that's really all I got for y'all today. I'm out. Actually, I'll just show y'all the breakdown just so y'all know. So again, my guys here in at Victor Dodge did this for me. So here you go right here. Labor was $13.95. Parts was $56. Sales tax, and then there's your total $75.20. So $75. That's not bad, man. Not bad. So call it $75 every, depending on how you drive. It'll probably be for me every month and a half maybe, because I put a lot of miles on the car. But if you're not daily in it, maybe $75 every 3 months, 4 months. It's not too bad. You can't beat that. But I'm gonna give y'all a quick start up, and I'm out. I'm going home. I'm sweating. I'm hot. Y'all already know from my last video, when these windows down, man, it's hot in here. So I need to roll my windows down and get some air blowing through here. But quick start up. Hey man, I never get tired of that. Look at that, man. 9 days, y'all. 1,200 miles in 9 days. Ridiculous. Hopefully it was informational. I'm hot, like I said. I'm going home. I'm tired. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video, man. As always, y'all be safe. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy this weather. I'm out, man. Peace.